People are always asking, what's the single best online business for someone who's just starting out, a complete beginner? Well, the entrepreneur Russell Brunson has a really strong take on this, and it might just surprise you. So let's dive in and break down his approach for finding a much, much simpler way to get started online.
If you've ever even thought about starting a business online, you know this feeling. It's like a tidal wave of information just hits you, right? You've got to learn a dozen different skills and you have no idea where to even begin. It's a super common feeling, but what if there was a way to just cut through all of that noise?
You see, the real problem is the path most people try to take. For a brand new entrepreneur, that journey to making your very first dollar online is, well, it's a shockingly long and complicated road.
And this is where it all becomes crystal clear. Just look at this list. I mean, it's kind of crazy. You're supposed to create a product from scratch, build a whole sales funnel, write persuasive copy, handle payments, drive all the traffic, and do all the customer support. You basically have to become an expert in 6 different professions before you earn a single cent. It's no wonder so many people get overwhelmed and just give up.
But what if you could just skip most of that? What if you could jump straight to the part that actually makes you money? Well, this is where a much simpler path opens up. It's called affiliate marketing.
So what is it exactly? Well, think of yourself as a matchmaker. It's that simple. You find a great product, you find people who would love that product, you introduce them, and when they buy, the company pays you a thank you commission. You don't make it, you don't ship it, you don't answer support tickets, you just make the connection. And here it is. This is the big aha moment. Look at this comparison. On the left, you've got that mountain of tasks for the traditional business owner. And on the right, the affiliate marketer. You see that? Your entire job, your entire focus just boils down to one single thing.
And don't just take my word for it. This is straight from Russell Brunson. He says the only thing you have to learn is how to drive traffic. That's it. And traffic, if you're not familiar, is just a fancy word for getting people, getting eyeballs, to a website or an offer that's already built and already proven to work. That's the entire game.
Okay, so you get the idea. But like anything in life, there are levels to this game. There's the standard way of doing things. We can call that being a normal affiliate. But then there's a much smarter, much more powerful way. And that's the way of the super affiliate.
Let's look at the difference here, because it's huge. A normal affiliate, they just send people straight to a sales page. Boom. They hope for a one-time commission, and the relationship ends there. It's a transaction. But a super affiliate, they play a different game. They send traffic to a valuable educational platform. The goal isn't just one sale. The goal is to start a relationship that can lead to multiple, recurring commissions over time.
So, how does this whole super affiliate system really work? I mean, how do they turn one little promotional effort into several different streams of income? It's actually a pretty brilliant model.
Okay, so check this out. It works like this. A customer signs up through your special link, but instead of just hitting a sales page, they get access to a really valuable training area. Now, as they're learning all this cool new stuff, the training naturally recommends certain tools they'll need to actually implement what they're learning. And guess what? When they buy those tools, you, the person who brought them in, get a commission on every single one.
And we're not just talking about 1 or 2 extra little commissions here. In the system Brunson talks about, a single customer, just one person, can end up generating commissions for you from 6 different income streams. Think about that. 1 promotion, 6 potential paychecks. That's what we call leverage.
Now, what's really, really cool about the specific model we're looking at is that you don't even have to build this big educational platform yourself. Some of these systems actually let you clone their entire platform, but you get to swap out their affiliate links and put in your affiliate links. So you promote this proven valuable resource once, and then you're in a position to collect commissions on all the different tools recommended inside. So let's bring this all back home. If you've been feeling that overwhelm trying to learn a million things at once, the message here is to simplify. As a beginner, what is your one core mission? This is it. This is the big takeaway. Stop trying to do everything. Stop trying to build the entire car from the ground up. Instead, just learn how to be the best driver in the world. Find a great car, a great affiliate offer, and focus all of your energy on mastering that one skill of getting people in the driver's seat.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. If you could really truly let go of all those other responsibilities and just pour all of your focus into mastering that one single high-leverage skill, what do you think you could achieve?